Hey, how are you?
Oh, I'm great, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, yeah.
Good. Thank you so much for doing this for me, by the way. This is Polly. She's really friendly. You'll have no problems with her at all. I'll just run you through like the basics, just in case, like you get a bit stressed, maybe.
Okay. It should be fine.
Yeah, I've got all the treats in here for you. These are her pots there, so at 9 PM if you just fill those up with the food in there, you'll be absolutely fine. So that's at 9 PM. If she does get a bit peckish, you've got some treats here for her. If you want to give her some, that's absolutely fine. But yeah, you should have no problems. You can get her out if you want to. She's so friendly. You'll have no worries. Like she won't like go crazy or anything. She's absolutely fine. So if you wanted to like have a play, whatever.
Oh, okay.
I won't be back late.
Okay, well have a good night.
So yeah, I'll text you or something when I'm coming back, so you've got a warning. But if you have any problems, just give me a call.
Oh, I'm sure we'll get along fine.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Polly. Hello. 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 Want a treat? Ah! Come.